After washing my hair, I'm going to be putting it into a sleek low bun while my hair is still very much damp because it's easier to work with. Though this is not a sleek bun tutorial, this is just me taking you through my DIY self-maintenance routine and letting you know that you don't need to go to a stylist to get this done for you. These things are very simple. This is a very simple hairstyle that you can do by yourself at home. So yeah, just watch the process. To ensure that my hair stays sleek and lasts me a while, I like to use the Gorilla Snot Gel and top it off with the Got To Be spray, and this holds my hair down for a long time before wash day again. So yeah, if you have issues slicking down your hair and getting it to last a while, just check the products that you're using. This Gorilla Snot Gel really gets the job done, and make sure you're locking it in with the Got To Be spray. And once I'm done, I just do my edges and spray my hair down, and I go ahead and tie this hair down because what's a slick bun without tying it down? It molds the hair in place for a long time, and once it's dry, I take it off, and yeah, this is the end result. For my wax, I'm using equal parts of water, lemon, and sugar. So I like to use plenty lemon for this because the lemon is what helps the sugar not turn into something hard or like not turn into candy. So the lemon is what gives it that consistency that you're able to use while waxing. And this is the important part of this process. You need to heat it up on low heat because this cooks very, very fast, and you have to be there and continue stirring and stirring. So yeah, I used a small pan, so this was almost spilling on the gas. I should have used a bigger pan. As you can see, it was getting so bad, but I just kept stirring and stirring, so I didn't need to transfer it into another pan. But yeah, this is my wax all done, all cooked. And to test it out, you're going to put it into like water, and if you touch it and it's hard, then that's how you know that your wax is ready and done. So I just transferred it into a bowl and yeah, allowed it to cool before going ahead. Don't use it while hot because it will burn your skin. So just let it cool for a few minutes and then it's ready to use. Done preparing my wax, it's time to start with my underarm, and I'm going to be using this powder. This is a talc-free powder to combat any sweat or oiliness in my underarm, especially sweat. And I'm going to use these adhere to the wax so well. So you want to apply the wax in the opposite direction that your hair grows and rip in the same direction that your hair grows. So if you move your fingers across the hair and it resists, then that's the opposite direction, and if it lays down, then that's the same direction. On this day, I couldn't find my popsicle stick, so I just went ahead and used whatever I could find laying around. And really, this is a very budget-friendly video. Just use what you have at the end of the day to get results. As long as it works, it works. So I just applied, and no matter how many times I wax, I don't think I can ever get used to the pain. Although it's less than the first time, but it's still painful. And as you can see, I'm also not using wax strips for this. I'm using an old cotton jeans, and this works really, really well. Feel free to go in the second time if everything couldn't come off the first time. Now that this side is clean, I go ahead and do the other side. once the entire process is done, I just clean it up and go in with some oil to soothe the area. And you want to make sure you stay away from deodorants for at least 24 hours after waxing. On to the next, which is teeth whitening. Now, don't ask me if this actually works because I don't know. I just do it regardless because I mean, it's better for me to do it than not to do it. I just leave it on for about 10 minutes and then I go ahead and do the rest of the routine, and then I take it off after 10 minutes. Although I haven't noticed a huge difference, I do know that it leaves me with a fresh breath. Next, I'm gonna be shaving my face, and honestly, this has to be my favorite part of this entire maintenance routine. Overall, I just love the way my skin looks and feels after shaving it. So I use an oil for this. I apply this oil all over my face before going in with this, and you can use aloe vera gel, you can use any oil, olive oil, coconut oil, you can use Vaseline for this step. I don't know, but something about this is just so satisfying to watch, just seeing the hairs glide off my skin. This makes such a huge difference. My skin feels smoother and softer after doing this. And notice that I started off with a pink razor and then switched to this yellow one. That's because the pink one was so sharp. I don't know what it is, but it just kept almost cutting my skin. And when I switched to this one, I had a better experience. So yeah, I really enjoy this process. It's so satisfying, honestly. And the results are amazing. My makeup has been looking ew for some time now, and when that happens, it takes me a while to realize that, oh, I actually haven't shaved my face, and once I do, game changer. I also make sure to use a new razor every single time. Use a new razor, guys. And once I'm done shaving my face, I just use a cotton round to wipe the excess hair off my face. Since we're still in the hair removal process, I then check my eyebrows, and if it needs grooming or reshaping, I just go ahead and do that. And yeah, you see me removing new growth and anything that just makes the shape look awkward or abnormal from the way I want it to be. For skincare, I'm not going to be using any harsh acids or active ingredients. I'm just hydrating my skin. Since I just shaved my face, my skin is a little bit sensitive at this point, so I'm just using something to hydrate my skin and also moisturize my skin. And I actually continue doing this for at least 24 hours or even 2 days post face shaving my skin, because after this your skin has been exfoliated, dead skin cells have been removed. So at this point I just focus on repairing my skin, moisturizing my skin, and just pampering it. And of course, the morning routine isn't complete without SPF. Apply your SPF, guys. I know you're tired of hearing it, but just do it. Just do it. If you don't like the one you're using, just switch it up. Get something that you're happy to use. My favorite one is this La Roche-Posay one. It's lightweight, doesn't itch my eyes. It's just perfect. Skincare is complete, but not without moisturizing my lips, so I'm going in with my lip oil, of course, and we're all done, you guys. When it comes to my lash routine, I keep it very quick and simple. I don't like to spend time, so these are regular lashes that I just cut each into 3 parts or into 3 clusters. And yeah, this is just me putting them on. I use the glue, and afterwards I just go in with a super stay that just helps it lock in. After applying the lashes, this is me just sealing everything in so that it stays put. And now that my hair's been washed and styled, my lashes are on, my face is shaved, we're looking all good, we're looking all glowed up and put together. The final step of this routine. And of course, you guys know the routine isn't complete without doing the nails. Finally, we're on to the last step of the routine, and of course I just go ahead and use my cuticle remover to clean up the sides and remove any extra gunk, so that once the persons are in, it just looks very clean and looks professionally done. So I also go in with a nail cutter because I like my nails to be short underneath the press-on nails. Then using the cuticle remover, the end of the cuticle remover, I just pushed my cuticles back in. So these are the nails that I'm going to be using. These look absolutely gorgeous, you guys. You have no idea. This looks so good. It also came with a glue, so I didn't need to buy extra glue, and the nails are actually quite a lot. I can actually use this twice. So here I am applying the glue, then I go in with the nails and I just press it for extra hold. So I just repeat the same process all through, so just watch. And once I finished applying them, I realized the nails were too damn long for me. I don't know, but I just can't manage long nails. So I went ahead and trimmed some part of it off and then filed it, and oh my god, the end result, these nails are super light and so gorgeous. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. It literally took me just 5 minutes to finish doing both hands. And this is the final results. Absolutely love them. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.